Hi traders, this is Forex Nelson and I'm back again today with another 7 trades. Today's date is April the 19th and I'm using my brand new PIP trigger trading system. Now this PIP trigger uses a hull moving average. This is this one that goes from blue to red. Comes complete with built-in alerts. You just turn them on. Then you'll get a pop-up box here, right here. It's telling you either up or down. And of course, about 4 months after I did the videos, I got my hands on the super signal indicator. That's this arrow right here, super signal. Now this is just an add-on I did after I did the videos. This does not automatically come within the package. It comes in a package called Easy Trader. Some of the things I'm talking about, the information is right below this video in the description. So every morning at 6 o'clock, right where this vertical line is, approximately, I'm in front of the computer. Now this is London. London goes all the way over to here, 11 a.m. And New York starts at 8, which is right here. I want to get in front of the computer and make trading decisions as I'm going, into the New York session. I'm checking out all of the different instruments here. And I'm also looking at the daily trade plan. Now here is the daily trade plan. This is live, minute by minute, and it can easily change from bearish to bullish. It is set for day traders. In other words, you get in, grab those pips, and close after a short period of time. You can change it if you're a swing trader or a position trader. This is a must-have. If you don't have any kind of a trade plan, you will fail. Now, if you have any questions or comments, or if you want to buy, just Skype me. Keep in mind that when you buy from me, I do give full support, and without support, you will fail at trading. There's a lot of things you have to learn, and you will need support on your way to becoming a successful trader. Every successful trader in the world has support from their mentors. No support, you will fail. So now we can take a look at some of these trades. First trade I did was the pound yen here. And I've had a number of traders yesterday asking me when I'm going through my trades, at least show the charts showing the PIP trigger. So, okay, we'll do that. Here we go on the pound yen. Now I wanted to be buying it as my daily trade plan was suggesting to buy. And I knew by price action and the indicators down at the bottom that it was going to start to go up. And it's still working its way up. So I took the trade at this cursor and I closed it out just being happy with looks like 16 pips. And it looks like those 16 pips ended up paying out $119. Now my system, you can actually trade both directions. And on the next 2 trades, the Dow Jones, I bought as it was going up and I sold it as it was going down. And I teach how to do that within the training videos. Now on this first one I bought on the Dow Jones, I pulled up 2 charts on the Dow Jones here. First one I wanted to be buying, and there's the arrow to remind me. Now in the video, I called the video how to trade pullbacks, and that's all I was doing was to pull back. And I got the signal, super signal. Everything was looking good. And I closed it out here just being happy. Looks like I took the money and divided it by 5, as it pays $5 for each tick. Calculator says it's 25. There it is right there. And that's why you see it pays $125. Moving on to the Dow Jones second trade I did. First one was a buy. This is a sell. There's the arrow. I was just catching the small move, and it could have actually broke the bottom and kept going. But you will learn. The market is very random, and the market will do whatever it feels like doing. So anyhow, all you can do is trade the up and down cycles. Now, I was distracted. It did this cycle as I was telling you about, but I knew from the daily trade plan and the way the charts looked at, it was going to come down and test this area of support again. So I just had to hang around and wait, and then I closed out the trade. Since it pays $5, I took the money divided by 5. Calculator says it should be 38. So 38 ticks. There it is right there. And those 38 ticks paid out $190. Okay, moving on to the next trade, which is the pound CAD. Here we go. This one I wanted to be buying it. There's the arrow. Everything looked great. Did qualify for a great way to trade. It's another way you can trade the markets, and I teach that in the video called A Great Way to Trade. Here we go. Market went up and down, and I knew it was going to go up with about a 95% certainty. Took the trade at this point, and I closed it out being happy. Looks like with about 35 pips. It looks like those 35 pips paid out $260. Okay, moving on to another pound trade, the pound dollar. This one pays $10 for each pip because the USD is on the right hand side. Wanted to be buying it, and I knew once this cycle was done, should have got in a little bit earlier, but this is where I saw it, and I knew it was going to go up to the top. Here we go. Looking at the money, this should be 30. There it is right there. 30 pips, and that ended up paying out $300. This one particular indicator, the Hull moving average, works best when it is trending either up or down, and I teach that in the videos. Obviously, when it's going just sideways, it doesn't work the greatest, and that's why I rely on other ways to trade the markets. And one great indicator that helps with that is the super signal indicator. There are many ways to trade the markets, and the more ways that you learn, the better you will become as a trader. Okay, moving on to the next trade, which is the NASDAQ. This one pays $20 for each tick. Now, this is a very specific way that I trade. I don't want to get into too much details about it, but I did get my signal here with the super signal. And of course, I teach what your target should be, where your stops should be, etc. Now, I took the money and divided it by 20 as it pays $20 for each tick. Calculator says it should be 26. And so let's go and see for those 26. Make sure I get it right here. 20, or sorry about that, it should be 23. Just looked at the calculator now. Okay, it's 23, you remove the last 2 digits. So those 23 ticks paid out $460. Okay, moving on to the last trade, which is crude oil. This one pays $10 for each tick. And looking at the money, this should be 65. And it went mostly sideways for a while until finally it dropped, which I was 95% sure it would drop. Doesn't mean it's going to drop 100 or 200 ticks. But whatever whatever it does move, I want to grab some of those ticks. what did I say it was? 65. There it is right there, 65 ticks, and that ended up paying out $650. So another great day of trading using my PIP trigger, and I knew it was going to be over 200 pips and ticks. The grand total came to 255, and those 255 pips and ticks paid out $2,104. So if you are interested in getting some more information, if you have any questions, if you have any comments, or if you just want to buy, all you got to do is look right below this video. So here on my YouTube channel, from yesterday's video, all you got to do is look right below the video, and there's a little button right here you have to click on, show more. It'll open up this window, and of course, keep in mind these are the 4 things you really need to succeed at trading. Please read that. Now there's 4 different packages. I do charge $250 for each package. I recommend getting all 4 packages. Now I have a special offer. If you buy any 2 packages, I'll give you one of the other, packages for free. So as I mentioned, the PIP trigger, it does not include the super signal. You have to buy number 3 here, this package, to get that. And then of course, if you continue to scroll down more, I go into greater detail what's inside, what the videos and what you're going to be learning. PIP trigger system, how I trade live. I highly recommend this. So I go through all the steps, starting with the daily trade plan, and my expert advisor, the daily trade plan, and of course the easy trader. So all you have to do is get in contact with me, and I really do prefer Skype, but of course you can pick up the phone and call me or send me an email. But I prefer Skype, and plus I can do screen sharing. So it looks like it's time to wrap up this video, and of course if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next video, I want to wish you good luck with your trading. And remember to keep yourself and your family safe, okay? Bye for now.